Hello everyone and welcome to my video, my presentation about making a vessel. This is the first project and we start in this project by sketching 2D sketches, and I start with the random drawing, random ideas. Uh, the goal of this project is to make an vessel that contain a material and it has an egress and ingress and egress. So I was start thinking about this while I'm making this drawing. But as I said, I started with making a random drawing, as you see here in this picture. Then I started try to think more because I started thinking about how we're gonna make the 3D sketches. So I start to have like more specific shapes. Like here is a normal vessel. Uh, and I start thinking about what kind of materials that I can use to make these vessels. Here is a cylindrical vessel. It's just more ideas to see what I like, so I can decide if I can use it uh, for my final project or final vessel. I like this drawing, it's really cool, but some of these sketches, when I try to do them in the 3D sketches, it's a little bit difficult, so I decided to avoid that and go with uh, another ideas. So then after we finish the 2D sketches, we start doing the 3D sketches, and we use the paper um, to do that. It was kind of tricky to make these sketches because we had to use only a paper, a glue gun, and tape. So we had to think more about how we gonna connect all these together and make a sculpture of it or make a vessel. So here is another sketch. I really like the sketch in the left. It's the vessel that I uh, have in mind to make for my final. Um, and I also like the other sketches too, but this one was my last sketch that I wanna do for the final. And after that, we start making a rough with a different media, which is clay. Uh, Working with the clay was really interesting and give me more ideas about how the final vessel gonna look like. So I start making the vessel I like with the clay. It was difficult to have it in shape. I wanted to have a circular shape or a shape like a ball with one hole in the middle. My idea about this was that I'm gonna make a vessel that similar to a sugar shaker, where the sugar comes out less than we expect or less than when we want it to go in to the shaker. But with this idea or with this vessel, it's kind of tricky to do that. So I just so in the final vessel we had to work with the styrofoam, and I wanted to have my vessel shaped like a bowl. So I just stacked all the styrofoam on top of each other. I made the hole in the middle, and I start curving the sides or the edges to have the round shape of the bowl. And here's my final vessel. I start like curving the edges, the corners, um, and I finally have this bowl shape. And I added the side of this vessel to concentrate the materials that's going out. And the function of this vessel, well, in my mind, I have the idea that this vessel is going to contain some type of liquid, but it's actually we can use it for anything, for any different type of materials. Um, and also we can close these holes on the, the part in the side or the section in the side of this ball. We can remove that because I only used uh, the wood sticks to have it in place so it can be attached and detached from the ball. And when we have the ball closed and the holes are closed, we can just roll it, which is good for transportation. And this is the function of this vessel. um, yeah, this is the final, and I really like it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you for listening.